Create a horizontal slider columns for a number with interval from 1 to 10, increment 1 and width 300.
Create a new point A. Construct segment F with given length columns from point A. Move slider columns to check the segment with given length. Construct a perpendicular line G to segment F through point A and a perpendicular line H to segment F through point B. Create a vertical slider rows for a number with interval from 1 to 10, increment 1 and width 300. Create a circle C with center A and given radius rows. Move slider rows to check the circle with given radius. Intersect circle C with line G to get intersection point C. Create a parallel line I to segment F through intersection point C. Intersect lines I and H to get intersection point D. Construct a polygon ABDC. Hide all lines, circle C and segment F. Hide labels of segments. Set both sliders columns and rows to value 10. Create a list of vertical segments using sequence and segment functions. Create a list of horizontal segments. Move sliders columns and rows to check the construction. Insert static and dynamic text that state the multiplication problem using the values of sliders columns and rows as the factors. Calculate the result of the multiplication. Result equals columns times rows. Insert dynamic text 5, result. Hide points A, B, C and D. Enhance the construction using the style bar.